let's talk.
Hi. It's been a while. Has it been a while?
It hasn't been that long, but it feels like it's been a while. But we wanted to just quickly kind of recap what we've been doing like the past week or two.
Yeah, I'm sure you guys know if you follow us on Instagram, we were just recently in Los Angeles for a Pure Cosmetics BoxyCharm event. We'll slip in some B-roll right here of a little bit of what we got from the event. It was fun. It was a good time.
But guess where we're at?
Our favorite store literally ever in the entire world.
We're at the Dollar Tree, you guys, because we are having a fall day, a Halloween day, but first...
Listen, we get everything from the dollar store. Our Halloween decor, our Halloween costumes, cups, glasses, kitchen utensils, everything.
You name it. Everything we get from the dollar store. It's our favorite place ever. Let's go in, let's see what they have, and then we're basically going to be decorating today. We're gonna make some fun, festive baking stuff and watch some movies, you guys, and we'll get some work done in the meantime, because work never stops. Or what is it?
Fuck a vacay, I feel better at work.
What's the other one?
Work hard.
No. No days off.
No days off. This is me. This. To make my braid longer.
Oh, no, is her hair brown or black? No, is it black?
My hair's black.
Oh. We just almost had an actual attack because look at what we found. Pictures.
I feel like this has to come home.
Oh, duh. I feel like, should we get one of each? Yes. Okay, guys, next stop.
Target. Oh, Front Row Joe.
Front Row Joe!
Excuse me. It's okay, Hannah.
You attacked her.
Oh, there's my sweater. There's so many snacks. Show them. Show them the snacks back there.
What the hell? Is that an apple?
There's an apple and Justin's peanut butter.
Yum. You think the Target sign is a Target because when they were in high school, they
shut up. I've never thought
Target on your back.
What are you saying? My whole life. Wait, did I know? No, there's no way I knew.
Target. It's a Target. You got a fucking Target on you.
Why? Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
It's always been an arrow, and they think Target.
No, I have no recollection.
Okay. You found our section. That's all I want. That's all I want.
I'm such a safe driver. Oh my god.
Jordan just all crashed us.
It's just a curb. It's fine.
Anyways.
So just a quick little haulsy of what we got here. I'll just start here. This is a Target find. Haley's literally obsessed with the Khalifa Farms almond creamer in the pumpkin spice flavor, obviously. We also got some pumpkin spice muffins, which are gonna be bomb. We got these from the dollar store for the muffins because duh. We got these little molds. You can really do anything like chocolates or ice cubes or whatever, right? For a little candy bowl. These are just to be cute. You guys will see why. You'll just see. We got 2 of these pitchers so we can make cute little whatevers. I don't even know. These towels that we can hang on our oven. We got some freaking beautiful little fake flowers that we can put somewhere.
Got the ambiance going. Oh my gosh.
Who is this not iconic for?
This is my entire childhood. Halloween has begun. Halloween has begun. Halloween has begun. We are starting to decorate. We're starting the freaking pumpkin bread.
I'm so excited.
Okay guys, so I'm going to make my little iced pumpkin spice latte. Jordan is going to start here on the pumpkin spiced muffins that we got because all the pumpkin, you know, come on, let's get it going.
Pumpkin bread is so good.
I'm going to start with a cup of just plain coffee, and I have my little cup of ice here, as you guys can tell. Just gonna pour my coffee
over my ice. Where's my... But I'm gonna leave room, like enough room, obviously, for the creamer.
This creamer, you guys,
10 out of 10. I can't, no, like a million out of a million, you guys. This is the Khalifa Farms almond creamer. This is the pumpkin spice kind. Oh my gosh.
Wait, but
yes,
pumpkin
bitch.
donut holes, like for real?
Oh, this is so good. And then I'm going to even be a little bit more progressive. We have pumpkin pie spice. Just, you know, put a little bit on the top, you know, go crazy. Why not? Live life.
Okay, guys, so this is the finished iced pumpkin spice latte. I'm gonna give it a try. I already know it's gonna be delicious, but I'm gonna make Jordan try it to prove to her that it is 10 out of 10.
Is it good?
I think it's incredible. You tell me.
I never like shit like that.
You ain't gotta lie either.
I never like shit like that. Vouch for me.
Yum!
Also, we're drinking this new, I don't know if it's new to us or new to the world, but this is the Modern Times Hazy Nelson IPA. We usually get, I don't know what it's called. We usually get the other Modern Times. I literally don't know what it's called, but it's in the white can. So I don't know if it's like a holiday beer or anything. I could not tell you, you guys, how freaking incredible this beer is. I'm not like really a huge beer person either, and me and Jordan were freaking obsessed with it.
So obsessed, because we usually drink this like all the time, and we thought that this was our jam, and then we compared it to that,
No,
and we were
this
like,
one is a 10 out of 10.
This is not our jam.
That one's like a 6 out of 10
I mean, I'm
in my
still gonna drink
opinion.
this.
How good do these muffins look?
Yum.
You guys comment below what your favorite Halloween dessert is and your favorite Halloween movie.
Yes, I'm so curious.
I think honestly my favorite Halloween dessert will always be pumpkin bread. Like pumpkin bread, pumpkin muffins,
Pumpkin pie is my literal jam. And I don't even like pie. I just like pumpkin.
This is getting absolutely everywhere.
Oh my gosh. You let that happen? And you took my spoon. You took my spoon.
That's because it happened to mess.
And why do you have the littlest infant spoon? Wow.
In you go.
Oh my gosh.
Let's do 12 minutes to be on the safe side.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay.
Is anyone alive out there?
Is there anyone alive out there?
I think they're done. Oh my gosh. That's not too shabby.
Yes.
Here's the final creation. Obviously, some of them are a little strange, but that's okay.
Oh my gosh, they're gonna be
because
so good.
they're gonna taste fabulous.
How cute are these little spiders?
By the
Look
way,
at that.
this tray, dollar store.
all of it, dollar store. We are having the most festive day ever. you guys.
Cute.
Okay. So we're starting to decorate now, and we're getting progressive
This
right
is a
here.
whole. Oh, look, there's even. Should put these on.
Yes.
On the outside.
Okay, you guys, how cute are these? We also got these from the dollar store, and they're little towels. I'm going to hang them on here really quickly. If you got it, haunt it. They had a bunch of other really cute ones too, but those were obviously our favorites. Okay, we got those there. Jordan is freaking hooking up the bouquet here. I'll show you when it's done. And then I'm going to quickly, I want to throw these cute Halloween pops into this little guy that we have. We got this actually last year from the dollar store, and they had it again.
I feel like we did a pretty good job with what we had so far.
Yeah, because most of this we already had from last year. We just got like a couple more things, but we still got Hocus Pocus on the background. It's almost over, but we're gonna show you guys like a little overview kind of what it looks like in here.
So good, you guys. Like, it's making me so happy.
Not
like,
only does it look good, it feels good.
it feels so good in here.
I love it. Okay, so let's just kind of start like the front door, and we'll take you kind of like through everything.
And it's a graveyard smash. You'll get on in a flash.
So we just finished decorating the house, you guys. The vibes are set, the candles are lit, our pumpkin spice muffins are
It smells like
done.
pumpkin spice around here.
I feel like this is like the best day of my entire life. So we're gonna put on another Halloween movie,
Yes,
and we're
we
just
are.
gonna hang out and enjoy our night.
That's it.
And that's it,
you guys.
So
That was
comment
our
down
full
below
day.
if you guys like seeing kind of like vlog videos like this. And give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for Halloween and you're excited to see our Halloween video.
And like, what are you guys gonna dress up as? Because we got some things a-brewing.
So that was it for today, guys. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed. We'll see you in our
Don't
next
forget to
one.
subscribe.
And talk to us.
Talk to us.
Put some comments below. What's your favorite Halloween dessert? What's your favorite Halloween movies? What's your favorite Halloween everything?
Let us know all the info.
We love you guys. Bye.